this page, you can view all the carts you have, including visitor carts with your products, like these first two, or even carts you created from other exhibitors, like this last one. The type column indicates where the cart belongs, to a buyer or a supplier. Additionally, you find the same favorite and block system as on the relationship page, where you can block users or favorite users, and the sort of the table will change based on this. We have some additional information in this page, like the cart number, the enterprise and the country of the other user, and the cart creation date, the number of unread messages, and there is also a button to open the negotiation desk, where you can negotiate the items with the enterprise. And you can apply filters to any column in this table, like I can filter by the cart number of them. We can only see this cart, and also I can sort the list by the cart number.